Jai Gurudev. So, as we know, Saptarishi astrology from last 15 years is spreading knowledge of Jyotish to everybody, and Saptarishi astrology is also into creating a new astrologers. So many astrologers have studied from our institute, and now they are working on many online platforms, YouTube channels. They are started their own YouTube channels, and they are doing very good. Okay, so now if you want to learn from this prestigious institute, so you can join us our upcoming course known as Nakshatra Mandala. So as I told you, Saptarishi astrology is working from last 15 years, and Saptarishi astrology is one of the first institute who introduced predictive nakshatra course online. Bhrigu Chakra Paddhati, the tool for timing of event, Bhrigu Sarala Paddhati, blank chart prediction, and many more. So like this, there are many more courses which we have introduced first time on this online platform. Similarly, like Prashniyam is another course which is basically a combination of Prashnamarg, Kerala system of prediction, Prashnamarg and Krishniyam. So in combination we call it Prashniyam. So like this, there are many courses and subjects that we have introduced first time. So now this time also we are coming up with Nakshatra Mandala course. So this Nakshatra Mandala course is a course in which we will teach about esoteric chakras. These esoteric chakras are based on the nakshatras. Okay, so there are many classical books in which these esoteric chakras are given, but nobody is teaching those things. Like for example, if you read Narpati Jayacharya, you will find hundreds of chakras like this. Okay, Jatak Bharnam, Mansagari is full of these chakras. Okay, but their application is rarely known. So in this Nakshatra Mandala course, we will teach you how to use these esoteric chakras for your predictions, how we can use it in our day-to-day life. So out of these chakras, I have taken Nakshatra Purusha Chakra in Guru Purnima event. These two videos are already on the internet. You all can watch it and you can join this course. As you know, in social media, many people are teaching nakshatra based prediction, but if you see, those predictions are based on some mythological stories and the application nakshatra by using the qualities and all these things. Okay, but the original teaching of Rishi, if you see Atharva Veda Jyotish, or as I told you, Mansagari and Jatak Bharnam, there are many other books also. If you see the original teachings of nakshatra, they are based on some chakra system. Okay, some esoteric chakras, like for example Navtara chakra, you must have heard. This Navtara chakra is a very famous tool to use the nakshatras. So like this, there are many other chakras which you can use for your health predictions, for career, for marriage, many other things. Okay, so you all are welcome to join this special course on the nakshatras. So all registration details, okay, and other details are given in the description section, so you can join it. Jai Gurudev.